Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, July 24th. Hope you guys are all doing well. You may hear some jingling in the background. Millie's got a toy she's running around with. So I have a lot of fun things to share with you today. I wanted to announce the winner of the Beach Ball mini album that I mentioned last week. And thank you guys so much to all of the nice comments. I used the random comment picker, and the winner is Debbie Jen 7943. So congratulations. You can email me at the email address in the description box, your mailing address, and I will get this off to you. And at the end of today's video, I will show you the mini album for this coming week. So thank you guys. I hope you are enjoying this little segment I'm doing. So, let's start with Lowe's. I don't usually have Lowe's things, but I stopped in there because I know they have like pretty color tools and stuff. Isn't that lame? I don't know. But anyway, they had these pretty little pink tools, and these were on clearance from $6 something to $4.98. So I got this 10-in-1 precision screwdriver set. And it comes with the screwdriver and then the different bits. So I always need screwdrivers. I don't mind doing home repairs, and there's always stuff to, put together. So I got that one, and then I got this set of, or this pair of mini long nose pliers as well. And this was also $4.98. Hi Mel, what you got there? So I got those. And then, let's see, okay, Amazon, I got some beadable pen extenders, and this is a 50 count, and it was $7.59. I'll link them down below. This is the 3.8 inch one. They also have like a 4.6 or 4.8 inch one. This is the original, size. I just have this in there to compare. Like, this is the size that comes in a beadable pen, and this one is, I think it's like 2.8. It's like an inch smaller. Yeah, it's about 2.8 inches. So this is the new one, which is 3.8. And so it's an inch bigger. And I just needed a little bit more in my beadable pens. I didn't want them to be too long because then they're kind of like hard to use, I think. So I got these, and I'll show you one in a minute that I was making. I did get some new beads. I'm on a beadable pen kick. So I'll show you that in a second, but I did get some staples from Amazon. These are gold staples, and I have enough for me and my kids and future grandchildren for our lives. But this is 6,000 gold staples. That's like the smallest size I could get, and it was $8.99. So I got gold because I wanted to fill up my new Love Shack fancy stapler that I picked up at Target, and it's got like gold hardware on it and stuff, so I thought it'd be fun to have gold staples. So I put some in here, and they work really well. So just wanted to show you that. Not very exciting, but at least they're a different color. Okay, so Etsy, I got some new beads, and these are adorable. They're handmade, probably with the 3D printer is what I'm thinking. And the store shop, or the store name, is called Pine Barn Creations, and I'll link them down below. So these are hen on nest focal beads. So this is one of them, and the prices are so reasonable. You can get 6 for $6, and you can pick the colors that you want. And there's a lot of different colors. I got 2 pink, so that's the first one. And this is like one of those vintage dishes, which I have one that's like a rabbit instead of a chicken. But if you know like vintage glass, that's what that looks like to me. So I got a pink one. There's a hole in there, of course. Or I got 2 pink ones. And then I got 2 tan, just because I thought that it was such like a nice like shade of tan, like an oatmeal color. Very country looking. And then I got 2 of this one. This one's my favorite. It's called Transparent Greenish. So look at that. Isn't that so pretty? It's like transparent but translucent. It looks like jadeite glass. So I made a pen with that. I'll show you in a second with the other one I got. And that she sent me 2 free ones. And these are, I think they're both color shift, or at least this one is color shift. There's an option there. Isn't that pretty? It looks like an oil slick kind of. So I'm not exactly sure what this one is. Maybe it's one she doesn't offer now, but it's like a rainbow color. Isn't that so nice? So I thought that was lovely. And then she made me, this was a freebie, a keychain with my name on it. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And a little bag of candy too. So all of this for $6, including the one I'm going to show you. So this is the beadable pen that I made, and I used the extender. So it's still, you know, it's longer, but it's not like too long, you know, and you could still fit a lot on there. So this is one of the pens I showed you guys last week from Rainbow Palette Beads, and the beads are from there as well. These two little spacers are from there, and then that one is from Temu, that silver one. I just needed a little something extra to fit the pen. So anyway, that's what it looks like. And let me measure these in case you're wondering how big these are. I'll just put it on here. It's like 1 3/4 inches, I guess. So it's big, but it fits really nicely on a beadable pen, and I think it looks super cute too. So I will leave them down below, and yeah, great company. There are other options too, really, really cute, unique stuff. Okay, and then my daughter, she ordered this from Urban Outfitters. It's a little blind bag of these cute little cats. So I already opened it, but I wanted to show it to you. And it is so cute. It's this little cat, I think it's a cat, right? Yeah, with the strawberry on her ear, and she's in like a little cupcake. Isn't that so cute? So I'm going to put this on my cute shelf that I have in my craft room. So thank you, Annabelle. And I think that is it for my haul. Yeah, I just got my Scrap Diva Designs August design team package in the mail today, so I'm going to be opening that and checking out what's in there. August will be here before you know it, right? Next week. So well, yeah, I guess next week, right? Let me just look at my calendar. Yeah, next Saturday. Okay. Summer's moving along. We just got 2 new ceiling fans installed in bedrooms upstairs. So we never had ceiling fans in these 2 rooms, one of them being my son, so he's really happy to have that. We got a new outlet installed on the back deck, and yeah, so we had some work done on the house this week. Everything went fine. All right, let me share with you the mini album that I'm going to be offering this week, and this is one that I had made for Scrap Diva Designs. It's out of the charcuterie board die set at scrapdivadesigns.com. And this one says Baking Sweet Memories, and I have a lot of different embellishments on there. As you can see, I made another, I just love to do these ties with different kinds of ribbon. And I have a charm on here as well. It's a little apron with the heart on it. So when you open it up, this side has a little stamped apron embellishment. And then there are recipes in this mini album. So this one is a Diana Markham stamp, gingerbread loaf, and the recipe there. So I stamped it and colored it and cut it out. I even did some fussy cutting here, apparently. Wow, that is rare. And some embellishments, of course. And then the next page has another. I think they're all, I haven't even looked at this really since I took it out, but they all have the apron embellishments on this side, and then a recipe on this side. And this is an oatmeal cookies recipe that I share, or that I make all the time. These are the original Quaker Oats oatmeal cookies. They're so delicious. And the next page, some more embellishments, has chocolate chip cookies. This is the chocolate chip cookie recipe I make all the time as well. It's got a mixture of butter and shortening, so that keeps your cookies tasting really good, but having a nice like fluffiness to them too. So this recipe is excellent. So if you want to try it, just screenshot that. And then, okay, this is the next page, more embellishments. And then this is another Diana Markham stamp that I stamped out and fussy cut for snowball cookies. It's a cute album, I must say. More embellishments there, gingerbread cookies. I make these every year. This is from a Mrs. Fields cookbook that I got back in the 90s from my parents. Really good recipe. And then the next page looks like this. And those are Scrap Diva Design stamps on this page. This is another one from Diana Markham. Snow ice cream. And then the last page, nothing on that side, but this one has vanilla cookies, and these are also really good cookies. Little embellishment there. And then the back has my logo on it, and from the Kitchen of, which was a Diana Markham stamp. And there are trims on the bottom of like every other page. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. If you are interested in being the winner or receiver of this mini album next week, leave me a comment that says something about cookies. Okay, I think that would be easy to incorporate into a comment. And I will pick another random winner and announce it in my next week's haul. You could be from the US or anywhere. It's not that big to mail, and I just want to keep showing my appreciation to all of my viewers. Most are in the United States according to my Google or YouTube Google demographics, but you know, there's a good portion not in the United States. So I want to make sure you guys feel included too, because I really appreciate everybody who watches and subscribes to my channel. So please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and you know, that would make it easier, or that would, you know, I want a subscriber to win these mini albums, just to show my appreciation to my subscribers. All right, you guys, so that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed this haul. I will link Pine Barn Creations down below. I'm sorry. And anything else I need to link? Yes, the Amazon items I will link. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you guys are up to. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful weekend. And I will be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, have a great day. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.